Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. And on this training, I wanted to share with you how I was able to turn this small $25 investment into $7,300 in monthly recurring residual income business. And when I actually started in this system, I actually didn't have any experience or no skills whatsoever. And for me to actually turn this amount of money into $7,300, I believe anyone can do this, and actually you can make a lot of money in doing this, right? It's just my results, and you can pretty much make more money what I actually made. And the community support and all the coaching, all the mastermind calls, I haven't seen any sort of support out there in the other business model, right? And I've actually tried so many other business model and actually failed for years. And now to be able to give out to the community, and just recently, just one of the method that I'm using to get the results I'm getting, I shared with the community of 6,300 members that's actually in the community. And one of my training is uploaded on the inside, and also I did a live mastermind call with the community, and they were actually blown away that I was able to train these people are actually earning 7 figures. I was able to teach them and show them the strategy, how I'm actually making this automated sales, and I'll be actually able to provide you this exact training that I actually did, right? And I'll also be showing you inside my dashboard how much money I'm actually making on a daily basis, and how you can actually duplicate what I'm doing step by step. It's going to be a copy and paste method, right? So make sure you pay all the way attention in this video, right? Any questions you have, you can put in the comment section below. And it's a global business. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have any previous experience in this online business that I'm going to be showing you. And we have people of all around the world, all age group, right? Starting from 17, 16, 18-year-old, all the way to people who actually in the 70 or 75-year-old actually getting results with this system that I'm going to be showing you. So make sure you pay attention and don't miss anything, don't skip anything. I'll show you everything A to Z. Just before I'm going to be showing you my income result, just want to put a quick FTC disclaimer that this is my results, and this is all through my hard work, and this is not guaranteed that you're gonna be making this much money. But if what I'll be sharing with you in this video, if you take everything step by step and if you plug into the training, you can make a lot more money than what I actually made, right? So, and this is not a get rich quick thing. It takes time, takes effort, just like any other business. But if you put time into this business, you'll actually grow this business, which can actually allow you to be able to quit your job, right? So with that out of the way, let's get inside the dashboard so I can show you what this actual program is, how much I'm actually making, and how you can duplicate this method in your own business and start to take action with this amazing system. So let's get inside that video. So before I show you what I'm actually able to earn with this amazing $25 system, I just wanted to show you this bonus that I have put out for you, right? So when you actually start with this amazing system, I am giving you a lot of bonus, and make sure you check your email, because inside that email, I have put this amazing bonus, which actually brings you to this page. So make sure you watch this first video, right? Make sure you watch all of this so you can get an idea like what I'm actually giving out, and how you can take this and start to make that residual income that I was able to earn with this amazing system. And you can also see so many testimonials on this page, right? So make sure you watch every single video on this page just to see how much value I'm giving for you to actually start this amazing system. And this is my money that I'm putting out to be able to help you to succeed with this $25 system, right? So with that out of the way, I'll actually go to my dashboard, and you can see the results. $7,362.40 I was able to earn, and this is recurring income, by the way. So month after month, I'm getting paid with this amazing system. And like I said, when I first started, I didn't have any experience in this business model, so I had to learn everything from scratch. And as soon as I started getting results, because the training inside the program is so comprehensive. And I believe anyone, no matter what your age group, no matter what your skill set in the online space, you can make this happen because of the in-depth training that we have in the inside. So you can see, right, I'm getting income on a consistent basis, right? Every day, $420, $820, $830 I'm making on a regular basis with this amazing system. And we also have people actually inside the community. This is the recent training that I did, what I was actually telling you about, the mastermind live call that I actually did with this system. And they actually shared my results, how I'm getting sales and how I'm getting results with this automated system. And we do have 6,700 inside the members area. So any questions you have, you can actually ask in the members area for you to get help and all the support you need to be able to succeed with this amazing 24-hour system, right? And if I also go inside the training area, this is the training area. You can see this is the recent automated strategy that I shared with the community, and this was like a live call, and I went over all the strategy that I used to be able to make automated sales coming into my system, and that's how I'm actually generating. And you can actually take this and start to make that automated sales as well, right? Which is amazing, right? So now you must be asking, like, what is this business model? So this business model is a funnel builder tool, right? Just like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels actually charges you $97 every single month, but this system actually charges you only like $25. And with the $25, company pays you 80% commission, so you make $20 commission from the $25 investment, right? And with that, we also have like monthly coaching and support as well. Like every single day, 5 days a week, we have mastermind calls, and you can see it here. It's all the mastermind calls, and anything that you miss, it's all going to be recorded for you to go and get the results. And we have so much training inside, in-depth training about the funnel builder and how you can actually get sales coming into your system, into your funnel, the traffic coming into your system, and that's how you actually generate sales. And such a awesome community that I'm actually part of, right? So you must be wondering, like, how can I access the system? So the very first link you're gonna click, which will actually bring you to this page here. All right, and I highly recommend you to watch this video. It actually goes through like what this system is all about, and how you can actually start to generate that residual income month after month. This company, I just really love it for the fact, because this company also gives out profit from their own pocket to be able to feed the starving kids all around the world, right? So until this day, they have fed 90,000 kids all around the world, and it's something awesome that I'm actually doing, be able to provide this, and people are actually doing this business model and to change the world, right? Which is awesome. And you can see here also, just one sale per week can turn into $74,000, 2 sales, $149,000, 3 sales, $224,000, which is just amazing, right? And all you have to do is just click this button, right, to access the system. And this is, like I said, $24 system, and you're gonna put all your details in here. After you put your details, make sure it's the correct card details, because also the email address, everything, because the company will send you the password inside your email, right? So make sure you check that, and make sure to also check this box, so that way you can get the traffic and conversion for free for 14 days, right? So I highly recommend you to get it, so that way you can actually access the system and get all the products, so you can have the best possible way to start generating that sales on autopilot, going through the training what I have on the inside, on how I use my automated system and the strategy that I shared with you, how you can take that and start to generate that residual income, right? So make sure you tick this box as well and go and check out, and that way you can actually access the system. Once you get inside the system, you're gonna go here, affiliate zone. That's where you're gonna start from, and then you're gonna get your link, right? So there's only 3 steps to be able to succeed with this system. Is actually activate your link by going to the link description below and access the system and do the checkout with the $25. And once you've done that, you're gonna go to same card, right? Same card is here, and once you're gonna go sign up for same card, is free that you're gonna sign up for. And in here we have all these links, right? So you can actually promote. So the one I'm actually doing promoting is this one here, this page here. This is a sales page, right? So once you do the activate your link, sign up for same card, and the 3rd step is to start sending traffic, right? And if you go to my bonus video, I actually help you to make sales, and I send traffic into your funnel, so that way you can have the possibility of making the sales, which is just amazing, right? So you can just do the checkout, and once you have done that, make sure to also connect to me via Facebook, so that way I can give you all these amazing bonus that I have here, right? So make sure you connect to us on Facebook with the email that I've sent you, and in here you're just gonna say I've done the checkout and give me bonus. So I'll actually go and give you bonus, and to get you started with this amazing $25 system, which is the Home Business Academy, right? Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I cannot wait to help you out with this amazing $25 business model. Thank you, and bye for now. God bless you. So before I show